This video is sponsored by PageProof.
Hey everybody, this is Stephy Hogan with CreativePro, and today I'm going to show you how to display your data a little better. And I'm very quickly going to start with pie charts because they're just usually never the default chart you want to go to. I'm not going to walk through all of the details to show you the very first obvious step everybody can guess that I'm going to tell you is that you should turn it into a column chart, like so. And the reason is because you can actually see comparatively the differences way better than you can in this pie chart. So save your pie charts if you have like 2 or 3 points of data. Otherwise, default go to this column chart. Now I can show you how to change the chart type easily, but I'm not going to stop here at this column chart. Today, the whole point is I want to show you something kind of cool. So instead of a column chart, let's make a lollipop chart. So how do we do that? All right, first of all, we need to change the chart type. So if I select my chart and then I come up here to chart design and I go to change chart type, as you scroll through these, there's nothing that looks like a lollipop in here. There is not a default standard, lollipop chart. So we have to kind of make one ourselves. What we do first then is change our column chart to a line chart, 2D line chart. That's it. I don't know why that went up there. Okay. All right. This is our line chart, and all line charts are made up of the line and then markers, which not a lot of people use, but today we're really going to make use of the markers on the line chart. And to do that, we'll right click and we will choose Format Data Series and come up here to the Fill area. And it gives us an area where we can format our line and format our marker. So let's start with the marker. And we want, I'm going to fill mine solid fill. I'm going to choose something dark, this purple color. And I don't want the marker itself to have like a border on it, so we'll get rid of that. Now open up marker options. Choose built-in. Lollipops are typically round, so I will choose the circle one and then make it nice and big. We're going to go kind of obnoxious for this. They're lollipops. Go up to 30. Yeah, 30 should be good, I think, for now. All right, we have the candy part of the lollipop. Now we need the stick, but how the heck do we do that? With those markers that's still selected, we're going to come up to Chart Design again and come over here to Add Chart Element. And if you come down here, there's a thing called lines, and we're going to add in drop lines. So click on that, and you come over here, and we see that we now have lines coming from the circle markers down to the axis. So I can select those drop lines and format them like I do anything else. So here in the format pane, I want it to be a solid line. I'm going to make it the same color as my lollipops up top. And then just make that width a little bit bigger. Well, sure, 4 looks good. And there we go. Now, all we need to do is get rid of the line itself. With this series selected, we go back to our format pane, and this time we're going to be in this line section here and say no line. And there you go. You have a lollipop chart. It's actually a line chart, but now it looks like a lollipop chart. And with the data labels, they look good here on the right. You can also put them above with them selected. It's over here in the format pane. Or if you wanted to get crazy, you can put it in the center, which means, of course, we go to the home ribbon and we're going to turn that into white text. There you go. It's something different. It's a happy little surprise instead of your regular old column chart. I hope this helps. Next time you have data that suits a column chart, give the lollipop chart a try. And I'll see you next time.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.